Morning all, how are you all doing? So you join me on a Wednesday morning, 20 past 7, just started the shift, well, started at 7, we've done our vehicle checks, done a bit of paperwork, we're good to go. Today we'll be running with our low-line CF Arctic Hiab lorry. He's going to follow me around, or I'm going to follow him, whichever way it happens. We're going to run up to Colchester. We're going to collect a 40-foot each, a 40-foot fridge container, also known as a reefer, that's been out on hire for quite some time. We're going to go and pick them up, run them to Barking, drop them off, pick up a fresh 2 40-foot fridge boxes, or reefers, better known as reefers. And then we're going to run them round to Guildford. Now the Colchester job I've done before, I pretty much know exactly where that is. What I do, I know exactly where they are. But the Guildford job I've personally have never been to, so don't really know what to expect from that one. Anyway, let's get on with the journey. We'll have a little chat about a few things in a minute. A couple of bits I want to talk about the channel, whatever, what's going on. But until then, I'll leave you with a little time lapse. The sun's going to start coming up in a minute. I'll speak to you in a bit.
Audio Hub Preview.
Right, so we're just about to come off the A12 in about half a mile, this next junction. We're only about a mile and a half from the job now anyway.
After 800 yards, take the exit 29, A120 towards Harwich, then keep left. Take the exit 29, then keep left.
That sun is absolutely blinding me. Now, although I said I've been here before, I do remember the job to an extent.
Left, then go right on the roundabout and take the 4th exit.
I can't actually remember exactly 100% how to get there. Once I'm on the estate, I'll know where I'm going.
Keep left, then go right on the roundabout and take the 4th exit. After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the 4th exit towards Severance Business Parks.
Oh dear. Right, I was going to cut that bit out. You know, the splitting the file there. But then I realised there's probably some eagle eyes there. I'm sure someone just noticed what I'd just done, or maybe heard the sat-nav. Yeah, when I come off that, on that slip road, I was meant to stay left and take the left. I didn't. I was in the right lane. I made a mistake. I messed up. So I've had to go all the way down to 120 for about 5 mile, spin round the roundabout, come back up. So yeah. No one's perfect, everyone makes mistakes occasionally. Luckily for me, it was only a 8-mile round trip. Never mind. See there. Hello mate. Collecting them. Do we spin round and go through them gates there?
Yeah, if you spin round and go through them gates, press the buzz on the end, they'll let you in. I'll tell the guys you're here.
Nice one, thank you mate. A couple of years ago when we came in here, there was 3 of us. I was driving the 60 plate flatbed that we had at the time. And yeah, the other driver that came, the Hiab driver, he spit a hose. Not ideal. We was here for hours waiting for that to be repaired. Right, let me go and get these gates open. I'll come back to you in a couple of seconds.
Audio Hub Preview.
Oh, right, that's that job done. I'm absolutely drenched. Absolutely typical, that is. Nice and dry all the way up here. As soon as you get out to start lifting, the heavens open.
Welcome to Thompson Voice Control. At the end of the road, turn left, Severals Lane, then take the second left.
So I'm hoping that I've never used these GoPros before outside in the rain, so
Turn left, then take the second left.
yeah, I'm assuming that the lens has got a bit wet. I don't know how the footage has come out. Obviously you do because you've just watched it. But yeah, if there's any bad sections, obviously I'd have cut them out anyway, or the worst of the sections I'd have cut out.
After 100 yards, turn left, A1232, Ipswich Road.
Right, so I'm going to head on down to Barking. We'll get these 2 boxes lifted off. Get another 1 each of exactly the same thing, 40-foot fridge container. We'll get another 1 lifted on each, and then we'll head round to Guildford, which is down the A3. About hour and a half, hour and 40 minutes down to there. We'll see how we get on. Maybe we might get a bit of overtime today. Now, I'm pretty sure that driver was winding me up. Well, I kind of hope he was winding me up. He was just saying, we got a DAF XF Arctic with a Cormac crane on. I think it's a 71 ton metre. Yeah.
And take the first exit.
Apparently,
then go straight
it's
on
definitely not true.
A1.
I know he's winding me up, and it's worked. He's just said to me, this guy with the flat low line CF.
Then go straight on.
He just said, "Oh, we're getting a new lorry." I kind of expected that to happen anyway. He seems to really think we're getting a 500 or a 540 Volvo with a Hiab crane on it.
100 yards, go straight on.
And he's going to have that, the new
Go
one,
straight on.
from MV Commercials. They do nice builds, to be fair. Yeah, they are quite nice builds. I've never used a Hiab, that's the make. So I don't know what they're like for lifting, but yeah, I'm sure it'd be nice. Yeah, so supposedly he's getting the new one. The guy that's in the
6.5 miles.
XF is going on the flatbed, and I'm having that low line CF. I can assure you that definitely isn't happening. I don't want that motor. I don't really want to go back on the Hiabs. Although if the company want to buy me a brand new Arctic Scania with a whopping great 100 ton metre crane, I'd consider going back on them. Right, let's crack on. I'm going to have to stop in a bit anyway because I need a drink. I need a coffee. I need something to warm me back up. I'll get back to you when we're down in Barking. Speak to you in a bit. Right, so we're just sitting down in Bullman's in Barking, just waiting for this. Well, they've just lifted that one off. Just waiting for the fresh one to come on. Yeah, let me show you what it's like. There's literally hundreds and hundreds of containers just stacked. The ones we want are over, actually you might see them there. Over in this section are the ones we want here. You can see the white ones up top. There's a load more up back there. That road goes along the back, up, and basically straight round to there. They go and get them, they bring them to us, and then load us. I've got a lorry sitting behind me. He was here before me, and I've just pulled straight round. Yeah, it's just a mug, just boggy, so boggy in here. Yeah, you can't keep a clean truck doing this sort of work. Right, I'm actually going to end the vlog here. Yeah, I just want to get on with the day, to be perfectly honest with you. Thank you very much for watching. I will go back to uploading regularly from now on. I know I've been saying that for a while, but I actually will. Yeah, I've been feeling a bit down lately. There's a couple of things that have made me not really want to vlog. I'll be totally honest with you, I don't really like putting my face on camera at the minute. But we'll get it sorted. Anyway, as I say, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you getting this far. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. It just helps put the video out to more people. Yeah, it really helps the channel out. And if you haven't already subscribed, go and hit the subscribe button. You will be getting 1 to 2 videos every single week from now on. That I do promise. See you in the next one.